Om Shri Sai Ram. Today we are going to see and narrate about Chavdi procession. Before you sleep, you can recollect or read the Chavdi procession of Sai Baba in Sai Satcharita chapter 37 or seen it in Shirdi where it is being enacted every Thursday. Assimilate it as if you are a part of it and then sleep. It hardly takes 2 to 5 minutes. Sai will reside in you and solve your next day's problems if any. Om Sai Ram. Chavdi procession of Sai Baba. Every alternate day, Sai used to sleep in the Chavdi, so devotees used to perform bhajan in Dwarka Mai for a few hours. Behind them was a beautiful palki to the right and Tulsi Vrindavan, and in front Baba adorned his seat, and then Tatya Patil used to come with a group of men to Baba and used to help him to get up by putting his arm under Baba's arm. Sai used to kindle the dhuni to make it burn low, put out the diya and the Amit chanting. The fully decorated horse Shamkarna led the way. In this manner, the procession reached Chavdi, and other devotees used to line up and started towards Chavdi from Dwarka Mai. Then all sorts of musical instruments, band and horns, etc., gave out different sounds, and fireworks exhibited various colored views. Some danced with joy, and some carried various flags. On reaching the corner, Baba stood facing the Chavdi with a concentrated mind. Sai used to raise his hand up and down a few times. Kaka Sahib Dixit at this time came forward with a silver plate containing flowers mixed with gulal and threw them on Baba's body off and on. Like this, the whole procession reached Chavdi. The Chavdi was fully decorated with good white ceiling, mirrors, and many sorts of lamps. There, as an asan was spread, and placing a bolster, Baba was made to sit and made to wear an angarka coat, where they used to be waiting with chandan and then apply chandan and give arti to Baba. Nana Sahib held the chaitra. Bapu Sahib washed his feet, offered arghya and worship with due rituals, and offered him tambul, betel leaves. Shama then prepared the chilim and handed it over to Baba, and after that the chilim was smoked by Sai. It was passed around and Nevedya was offered. After it was over, one by one took leave of him. Then he used to prepare bed with 50 or 60 chadars and then tell Tatya to go if he wanted, but return sometime at night and inquire for him. Sai Ram. तू गुरु पिता तू माता तू सभी गुणों का दाता, ये है प्रार्थना हमारी, सो जाओ नींद प्यारी। तू गुरु पिता तू माता तू सभी गुणों का दाता, तेरे नैन तक गए हैं भक्तों की दर्शनों से, सब सो गए हैं जाकर तेरे समीप आकर। तेरे नैन थक गए हैं भक्तों के दर्शनों से, सब सो गए हैं जाकर तेरे समीप आकर। ये है प्रार्थना हमारी, सो जाओ नींद प्यारी। तू गुरु पिता, तू माता, तू सभी गुणों का दाता। तेरे भक्ति रस में डूबे सब जीव सो गए हैं। तेरे है स्वप्ना लेकर नींदों में खो गए हैं। तेरे भक्ति रस में डूबे सब जीव सो गए हैं। तेरे ही स्वप्ना लेकर नींदों में खो गए हैं। ये है प्रार्थना हमारी, सो जाओ नींद प्यारी। तू गुरु पिता, तू माता, तू सभी गुणों का दाता। ये है प्रार्थना हमारी, सो जाओ नींद प्यारी। तू गुरु पिता, तू माता, तू सभी गुणों का दाता। साई राम, साई राम, साई राम। ओम साई राम।